Hey guys, it's DJ from Digital Journey here. Have you ever wondered if there's anything you could do to improve your photography? Well, guess what? I've got 3 awesome tips for you to help you get started shooting like a pro. Okay, so first up is how to hold a camera correctly. So holding a camera correctly is really important. Obviously it makes you look like a pro, but it also means that you're going to get much better image quality, because if you're holding your camera like this or this, and I've seen so many people, I reckon every second person I see holds their camera either like this or this, and what that does is it can actually send, and it will send, camera shake running through the lens, because your lens is quite heavy, especially on a DSLR, and because you're holding it either like this or this, you're not supporting the lens, and that can send obviously a lot of shake through it, especially, and it is really obvious when you're using a really slow shutter speed, like 1/30 of a second. It really shows up in a photo with a slow shutter speed. So the way to hold your camera correctly and to look like a pro is to have your right hand on the hand grip and your left hand underneath the lens barrel like so you're cradling the lens like that. And then once you've gotten the hang of that and you feel comfortable with where your hand is, you can fire away. Don't be afraid to step off auto mode. Auto mode can be extremely limiting. Modes such as manual mode, shutter priority, and aperture priority will give you heaps more flexibility. Shutter priority allows you to change the shutter speed, and the camera will change the aperture for you. Aperture priority will allow you to change the aperture manually, and the camera will change the shutter speed for you. Both of these modes allow you to either have the ISO on auto, or you can change the ISO manually. Manual mode allows you to have control over shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, so you can get the most out of your photo and you can be in charge of the camera. Don't be afraid to use your flash. Did you know that it's a myth that you should never use a flash? Well, it is. So obviously the flash on your camera can be quite limiting, because obviously you can't change the direction that it points. So I definitely recommend getting one of these. This is a flash gun. So it goes straight onto the camera like so, onto the hot shoe. And it's really handy because you can point it in all different directions. You can bounce it off the ceiling, you can bounce it off walls, either side. Some flashes will even allow it to point backwards. You can bounce it off a wall behind you. You should always treat your flash as an artificial sun, because obviously lighting is very important in photography. So get out there, don't be afraid to use your flash. It is a prized tool for many professional photographers.
So why shouldn't you use your on-camera flash? Well, I'll explain. So as I said before, your on-camera flash can be extremely limiting. You can only point the light in one direction, and because of this, it's extremely harsh, which can look horrible in a photo. So I definitely recommend getting one of these. This is a flash gun. Flash guns allow you to point the light in many different directions, and you can bounce the light off your wall, your ceiling, and some models even allow you to bounce the light off behind you. So many professionals treat a flash gun as a portable sun, because light is so important in photography. So I definitely recommend getting one of these because they are so handy. Thanks guys.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learnt heaps out of it. And if you want to see more videos like this, then check out my YouTube channel. Also, if you want to check out my work, then head on over to www.digitaljourneyphotography.com. That's www.digitaljourneyphotography.com. Cheers.